Are you looking to grow your channel? Because today I bring you an amazing platform. Hello friends around the world and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you an amazing platform that I use to grow my channel. This platform called Tubebuddy. Okay? For persons doesn't know Tubebuddy is a browser extension that you can download for free from Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and have an application in phone too. So when we click install now, okay, we see this page and you can click add to Chrome, okay, because I'm using Chrome, okay. So here you want to add the extension, okay. And like you see, it's downloading over here and I can add it to my account. But make sure that you add the extension to your YouTube account. Video like showing you what is Tubebuddy and introducing Tubebuddy for more specific details. Okay, so here they're giving me the website again and they're giving me how to create an account, how to add the channel, and if I want to join the community, some basics from the website. They're giving you some basics, okay, things that you must know, must do, okay, things to do first, okay, things to do, start exploring, okay, and here's some introduction small things. And here's some introduction of small things. You have successfully installed the browser, okay, extension. And let's see over here. So when you download it, you get the extension in the right side. Okay, of your account. Okay, so when you get here to your channel, okay, you find Tubebuddy features in the right side of the channel. Okay, all the features are here: data board, videos, playlists, comments, analysis, okay, real time. They give you which best time to post and stuff like that. So it's really amazing. You have the key explorer, and this is helping so much. You can find there in free version. Okay, let's discover it together. Here, so you put the keyword that you want to search about and they give you all the search. You find here, like you see, the tradings going on right now, all the things. And let's put some keywords like, for example, planning. Okay, planning. Random subject. Let's see what we're gonna find. Okay, so here they give you unweighted, okay, score. So unweighted one is the general one and you can find it in the free version. We move on to paid versions. You can find weighted one, give you what it's happened in the market in YouTube and between your channel, okay? So here the search volume is excellent, okay, competition poor in this subject, okay, optimization and all the stuff over here. So unweighted give you in general information in general. Okay, so here tell you when you find a poor score, you can click to the keyword related. Okay, the keyword related is as healthy. Okay, let's see the score, if it's going good or no. So you click on related research until you find the best keyword to use. And the amazing about Tubebuddy is give you YouTube information, give you Google information, and this is excellent. So you see the boat over here, video topics, common tags. Okay, so it's all over here and you can find it easily. So it's a little bit acceptable over here, fair, like for competition, it's like kind of medium. Okay, optimization over here it's excellent. And how many people search about this? It's 600. Okay, 600 monthly. 600 monthly. Okay, and how much people search about this is 600 monthly. So it's not good for us if you want to do this subject. Okay, here we can click another one just to see if the score gonna like give us good score to give you more information. Yeah, good. So you click enter, you find the best keyword. Okay, when you see the gold score, okay, the search volume mustn't be poor. Okay, because here we want people search about the subject. Competition is like a lot of competition in this subject. Okay, optimization, and it's give you how much research on this subject. So wait, because I don't do any subject on, I don't post any video on this subject. Of course, it's gonna be fair. So let's see on Google how the subject doing. So doesn't have any information, any data. Okay, yeah, because I click and waited. Let's see over here. They don't have much information, same. So video topic, they don't find any. And common tags. Okay, so let's see here all the tags. Okay, all the tags related to the subject. We have also results. Results here like planning. All results, they give you all the channels that post like the video, post the same subject in videos. Okay, and like give you the from the top to after they get like give you here with the numbers, and they give you here with the numbers. Okay, total research, we want to see what is more. I never used this once. Since my channel is still a small channel, I'm using Tubebuddy, and it's an excellent browser. I like it so much, so that's what I decided to share with you guys this video. Except today I'm sharing this video, and this video is sponsored by Tubebuddy, so I want to show you the paid versions too. Okay. Because the free version, guys, as I told you, just give you limited things. So you want the maximum tools to get success of your channel. With Tubebuddy, you're getting more views, you're saving time, and all of this to grow your paid versions, that is Pro Star Legend. So all over here, and you can have like, if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, you can get promotion. Okay, and here the star, the legend. Also about Tubebuddy is cheaper than any other browser or platform. Okay, it's over cheaper. Here schedule time, schedule publish. Okay, so here you get schedule publish, schedule video updated. It's not in the free version. Okay, so what do you get in the free version? You get best time to publish, so you get it, pick up a winner, milestones. Okay, in all of it. So here the magnet one is amazing, and you just find it in the legend. Okay, so it's paid. This is amazing too. So in the Tubebuddy mobile, you get it in the free too. And competition scores, you only find it in legend and stuff like that. So, and only in a legend. So yes, so as you see here, the free version is limited. The pro also is have like kind of limited things, additional stuff, only additional stuff from the over here one. As you see, so the free version is very limited. Okay, and As you see, the paid versions is not expensive at all. I already tried two. Now I'm keeping on Pro. Okay. And for the moment, because my channel has less than 100 subscriber, I'm keeping on Pro. If you want to download the subscriber and support the channel too, I will leave the link below, the affiliate link below. Okay, so it's you can support the channel also. So as we said over here, so Click Magnet is only for paid version, that is legend. Okay, so see you studio. This is amazing and it's helped you a lot, okay, to move from a simple video to professional video with the CEO words that give people the CEO words that get you more views. Okay, so let's put here how to plan your week effectively. Okay, effectively. Okay. Start with the subject and see how it scores. So the score they give us 682 only for the title. Okay, you can move here and put the description as you like. So describe what the video is about and help you the missing part, and the missing part especially in the description. So if I put here in the description, it's gonna help me a lot trying to explain the video and put the keywords over there. So move on. In the free version, they give you only the 3 first tags, but in the paid one, they give you all of them, so you can save time too. Okay, as you see here. Because here I didn't write so much, so they don't give me in text because I didn't put in the description anything. I don't have any video over here. But if you have the video, they give you the titles, they give you all the stuff about it. They give you tags, they give you all the stuff about it. So move on to the thumbnail. When you put your thumbnail, they give you a comparison between your thumbnail and the ones that are already and the ones that are already in YouTube. Okay, so they give you a comparison between people and your video, how it's doing. Okay, and this give you more score. In the end, you can save your video or you can post it immediately from here, and it's give you a lot, and it save you a lot of time, and it's gain you more views because it's a CEO studio that's give you more keywords that people search about. Okay, let's return and see more features in Tubebuddy. Okay, so as you see here, so video topic planners, we have this one. This is like topic that you want to talk about and you want to plan about it. Let's see other things over here like tag lists. Okay, so here you put all, like here my list is Moroccan Arabic because I teach Moroccan Arabic, so you can put the tags that you want to use it in your channel. So here they give you the best time to publish. When you click this, they give you, so here the best time to publish, they analyze your channel and they give you which time is the best for you to publish your video. Amazing tools give you a successful analysis of guys. I want to tell you what I like best about Tubebuddy. That Tubebuddy is the cheaper browser that I like so much. Have all the features that I like, as you see over here. Help a lot, especially tags. Okay, it save a lot of time instead of sitting down and thinking about which keywords you want to use, which tags you want to use. It's take a lot of time, at least 1 hour, to think only about which tags you're gonna use and to make some research. Okay, so also the part that is cheaper in pricing. So if you want the paid versions that help you with the tags and help you with more features, so you pay and the price is the cheaper one than any platform in any browser. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Any questions, suggestion, or any other view, please comment below, and I will be glad to answer you guys. And again, bye. See you next time.